Today we have something special, a 1994 Jaguar XJ-220, supercar of the era, as well as supercar of today. It has 5,700 kilometers from new, and we would venture to say that it's probably one of the best of its kind in the world. So let's put it through its paces and take her for a ride. Come on. Well, welcome to our XJ-220 road test. I did say at the introduction that it's probably one of the best of its kind anywhere. It's recently been fully serviced throughout by us. All the instrumentation was sent back to the UK to Don Law. And I must say, absolutely everything is working. Air conditioning is blowing cold, radio, lights, clock, everything. Along with its extremely low mileage from new. It's got a sport exhaust also supplied. I believe we put new tires. I think everything should be listed on the website, but it is turnkey. It is turnkey with the least amount of wear I've seen on an XJ-220 that has been cared for, because we've also seen several that have sat in garages and did not wear well, were not cared for. Well, originally developed between Jaguar cars and TWR racing, in its era, the XJ-220 even set the fastest time at the Nürburgring, which wasn't, an easy task in 1991, and it set a top speed of 213 miles per hour. It's also not too shabby. The XJ-220 is certainly in the history books as a supercar of the era. In the day, it was approximately 500,000 pounds, which in today's currency and evaluation would be about $1.5 million. I don't think the value of this car has matured to where it will be one day as a piece of Jag history. All of its competitors are well over $2 million, and I think this under $1 million today, as long as it's well serviced, is quite the buy for a supercar. And it's extremely usable. We're going to go down our little Ulsan straight here. We'll just cruise a little bit. It's great. Got a great gearbox, easy clutch. Steering input is exceptional. Nice horn. Air conditioning is really cool. No pun intended. It's a fun car to drive. Sounds great. Well, we can tell you that we have run into quite the traffic, and we've been sitting in it for about 10-15 minutes. And temps and pressures are absolutely exceptional. She is happy. I'm not sure she's happy about driving into traffic, but she is handling it quite well and with dignity. So as we get moving, we'll get back to showing you the speed in which she can travel and the acceleration. We'll get to flybys in a little while, but make no mistake, it's a lot of car for the money and a lot of history for Jaguar. It's nice when you hear a little bit of the flutter from the waste gates. There's very little turbo lag, and it's just a joy to drive and cruise in. enjoyed the flybys. I think it's pretty cool. Sounds great from the outside. For that matter, sounds great from the inside. It's got a ton of power. Exceptionally drivable. We're going to take it down our rather curvaceous road here. A few sweepers on the way back to the homestead. It is actually pretty nimble, very direct when you get into a corner. It's very fast. It's pretty comfortable. It has a lovely radio, but I don't have my glasses on. So you could have tunes. And now there are no more tunes. It's very reminiscent of a UK B road. Freshly paved, I might add. Nice stables, in case you're into riding horses. It's a fun car to drive. I can assure you, the brakes weren't warm, but they work extremely, extremely well. It's at this point that we will turn the AC up just a little bit more, because it is quite a nice hot day outside. The windows are up. And thank everyone for watching our video road test of our 1994 XJ-220, which again is 5,700 kilometers from new. Absolutely superb in every respect. There's a reunion of XJ-220s at the Jaguar factory this coming September. This XJ-220 is invited, and the next owner will be able to take part in that reunion.